Let me show you how to wire a Maytag washer motor to use it for something else that you may need the motor for. You will need to make a test cord like this one. You will need 4 quick disconnect 1/4 inch terminals. And you need to connect 2 terminals to each leg of the cord, like this. Your test cord should look similar to this one. I made 2 legs blue and 2 legs black to make it easy for me to explain it to you, but you could make them any color that you want. To be able to make the motor run, you need to connect the wires the right way, and that is what I'm going to show you to do next. I am going to call these the blue legs and these the black legs. For regular clockwise rotation, when you are facing the motor pulley, you need to connect the test cord wires this way. Connect the black wires of the test cord to the BK terminal and the BR terminal. Connect the blue wires of the test cord to the RD terminal and the YL terminal. Hold the motor like this, making sure that no fingers are close to any moving parts. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Plug the test cord into the wall outlet. If the motor starts and runs like this, then the motor should be okay. Disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet. To make the motor run at a slower speed, do the following. Disconnect the wire from the BK terminal and connect it to the OR terminal. Hold the motor down, making sure that your fingers don't get into any of the moving parts of the motor. Connect the test cord to the wall outlet. That was the way to wire a 2-speed Maytag washer motor to be able to use it outside of the washer. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a new video. This is Angel the Appliance Man. Thank you for watching this video.